Everyone is asking the same question in 2026. Is Power BI dead? Did Microsoft replace it with Microsoft Fabric? I am going to answer that in next 5 minutes with actual fact, not any guess. Here is what people think happened. Microsoft killed Power BI and launched new product called Microsoft Fabric to replace it. That is totally wrong. Power BI didn't disappear, it got absorbed. Power BI is now one workload, one piece inside much bigger platform called Microsoft Fabric. Picture Fabric as an apartment building. Power BI is one apartment, data engineering is another, data warehousing, real time analytics, data science, all separate apartments. Different rooms, same building, same foundation. And that foundation has a name, one lake. One copy of your data shared by every workload. This is the part nobody explained clearly. So let's fix that. Power BI Premium, the old per capacity license called PSQs are being retired. If you are not on enterprise agreement, that cutoff is already happened. Enterprise agreement customer have until 2028. They have all mapped one to one into fabric capacities. P1 become F64, P2 become F128 and so on. So if your company had a premium, you already running on fabric. You just didn't notice that. If you remember one number from the entire video, that is F64. Below F64 capacity, every single person viewing the report still need the pro license. At F64 and above, viewer can access report completely free. No pro license required. That single threshold is why large enterprises are rushing towards Fabric. It can cost licensing cost drastically, but creators still always need a pro or premium per user license. No matter the capacity size, that part never changes. Now the question you actually care about: what changes for you to day? If you build report in Power BI desktop, almost nothing changed right now. Desktop is still free, DAX is still there, your dashboard still works exactly same. Fabric mainly changes what happen after you publish your report to Power BI services, how it is licensed, hosted and shared. Here is where it does matter your skill set. Three things enterprise client are now accepting from Power BI developer to understand: one lake, direct lake mode and fabric pipeline. PL300 still prove your Power BI fundamentals, but DP600, the Fabric certification, is quickly becoming the differentiator on resumes. So, should you drop everything and learn Fabric today? If you work solo or on small project, not urgent. Fabric capacities pricing doesn't favor small scale. Use it. If you work with an enterprise client or you are planning to work, then start now. Because when they ask, "Do you know Fabric?" you can just say yes. You should have actual knowledge of Fabric. So let me recap what we discussed today, okay? Let's lock in three things. One, Power BI didn't die, it became a part of Fabric. Second, licensing shifted from per user to capacities, and F64 is the number that changes everything. Then third part, your DAX, your desktop, everything is still there, but one lake and direct lake are the next skill to have added in your resume. If this video is helpful, do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.